Hello everyone, I'm Annette. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a very important Google application, which is, to be more specific, I'll be taking you through the Google Maps. So when I say Google Maps, it refers to it refers to a location search tool that allows you to locate specific places. It helps you to calculate routes and so on and so forth. So in this video, I'll be taking you through the uses and how Google Maps can be applicable. So all I will need to do is come to my Google search and search for Google Maps, which is right here. Yeah, here it is. Just this simple. And while it's still logging in, let me be taking you through its uses. It helps you like it's so important. For example, you want to go to a specific place and you have no idea where the place is, but helpfully, unfortunately, you know the name of the place. So you can just go to your Google Map, type the name of the place, and it will be brought just right there next to you. And so here it is. Like, for example, let me say I want to go to, let me say, Gulu Independent Hospital. And maybe let me say I'm new and I've never been to that place. So with the help of Google Map, it can really simplify the work for me. Yeah, so here it is. As you can see here, it's showing, and it just helps you like to show your current location from the very place you're looking for. Yeah, so here it is. Gulu Regional. I mean, sorry, Gulu Independent Hospital, which is right here. Yeah, so here it is. As you have seen, Gulu Regional. Pardon, I beg your pardon, Gulu Independent Hospital. So let me show you from my current location. Yeah, so here as you see, I've been able to allocate Gulu Independent Hospital. And another importance of using Google Maps, it helps you to find like the nearby places. Because as you see, I'm here and here I'm looking for, let me say, for example, I'm very hungry. I'm in need of something to eat, and maybe I'm just looking for the nearest restaurant to me. So you Yeah, so as you see, I'm currently next to Larim Safari's hotel. It's like I'm literally very close to it. So when I searched for the nearby places, it brought me Larim Safaris because I'm just next door to it. And another importance of using Google Maps, it helps to calculate distance. For example, let me illustrate for you how I can calculate. For example, I'm here and I want to go to town. It helps me to know the distance, like how many kilometers is from my current location to where I'm heading to. Yeah, so here I'm currently wanting to head to Gulu main market. So I want to see the distance that will take me to reach there from my current location where I am right now to Gulu main market. And this is one of the examples of like one of the advantages of using Google Maps. And okay, just look at this. Another advantage of using Google Maps, like it's very specific because it's showing maybe because I know we personally use different means of transport. So here it's going to give you the time and the distance. Maybe perhaps if I'm driving and another person maybe is using a motorcycle, another person probably is on transit, another one is walking, another one is riding. So let me put, for example, I'm footing. So my starting point is, because I'm currently at Laren Safari. Yeah, so as you see, this is my starting point and this is my destination, which is at Gulu main market. So as you see, it has been specified because I'm currently at Lorraine Safaris and I'm heading to Gulu Main Market. So this is the route I'm going to follow. I hope everyone is seeing that. So it's going to probably take me from on foot. It's probably going to take around 23 minutes as it's being shown here up to my destination, which is Gulu Main Market. So I believe from this very short clip I've shared, everyone has at least has learned something. And with all of this, please everyone, please don't forget to like, share, like please don't forget to click on the share button. Please like my video. Till next time, bye bye.